10 Best Small Business Ideas in India for 2020, Best Business in India. One Ecommerce Reseller. Websites like Alibaba, Amazon and eBay allow you to purchase and resell goods and items online. Buy items on sale and sell at MRP. How to start: purchase products in bulk or on sale, resell at MRP or lesser discount, build a network, work for gigs, create portfolios. Two Blogging. One cannot overemphasize enough on how blogging is the #1 way to start earning online with zero to low investment and unlimited earning potential. How to start: write consistent, high-quality content, stick to your niche, create SEO-friendly articles to increase traffic, get paid via AdSense, promotions, and collaborations. 3 Virtual Assistant. Various companies like Amazon and eBay are on a constant hunt to hire virtual assistants to help them out with providing technical and manual support to their customers. How to start: answer simple customer queries, perform minor tasks, get paid on an hourly, weekly or monthly basis. 4 Delivery service. A delivery service primarily just means picking and dropping off parcels from one place to another, which requires a vehicle to pick and drop the item. How to start: pick up parcels, drop off parcels to the location, get paid according to the courier services offered, use some delivery app. 5 Online Tutor, coaching. Multiple platforms offer online tutoring jobs to individuals in their desired niche. Online tutoring can pay anywhere between $5 per hour to $60 per hour. How to start: conduct online classes on Skype, Zoom, Google Meet, get paid by your student on an hourly basis. 6 YouTube. Start your own YouTube channel in your niche, be it fashion, vlogging, travel, tech, etc., and to start earning higher rewards with the ads as the views rise. How to start: create consistent, high-quality content, interact with your following on social media, work on collaborations, promotions and sponsored content. 7 Graphic Designer. A graphic designer can work independently on desired products and pick the best projects from recommendations or online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer.com. How to start: register an online platform for job. Develop product layout, build color scheme, create required sketches for clients, design logos, design brochures, curate magazine content, edit creative videos. 8 Online Store. Open up an online store on social media platforms or stores that allow users to open up their online stores like Shopify and start selling your merchandise products. How to start: build your online store, communicate with potential customers, receive payments, deliver the products via courier service. 9 9 Custom T-shirt seller. You can start up a customer t-shirt designing and selling service where you can print the design desired by your client on a t-shirt and sell it for profit in return for your assistance. Yoga classes. Are you a yoga enthusiast? Collect your team of clients and teach yoga to them. It is not necessary to have a place to start your yoga classes. They can easily be carried out in public parks and gardens.